Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a special story brought to you by Madani Islamic Academy. This beautiful story is made to help children like me learn about Eid al-Adha, kindness, and the spirit of sharing. Let's begin our journey together. Ali, Dad, I'll pick the most beautiful goat, one with big horns that runs fast and surprises everyone.
Son, we don't buy goats just to show off. We choose one that's healthy and beautiful for the sake of Allah.
Dad, this one. It's the most beautiful one.
Ali, we can get another one. It might be more special for them.
You're our guest. You've come for Allah. I love you with all my heart.
Sacrifice is when there is both love and sacrifice. Allah will love your heart.
Oh Allah, this is for you.
In the name of Allah. This is the true purpose of Qurbani, to share love and compassion.
One part for us, one for our relatives, and one for those in need. Grandpa, this is for you. Today, we share our Qurbani with love. This meal tastes even better because we shared our Qurbani with love. Thank you, Allah, for everything. Thank you for joining our story. Remember, Eid ul-Adha is about more than just sacrifice. It's about love, sharing, and obeying Allah. We hope you learned something special today. This story was brought to you by Madani Islamic Academy to help children learn the beautiful lessons of Islam. Hello, dear kids and grown-ups. If you enjoyed our story today, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, Madani Islamic Academy. Stay connected with us for more amazing stories, Islamic teachings, and valuable lessons. You can reach out to us through Pakistan. WhatsApp number +9 23 04 284 6421 International, UK. WhatsApp number +4 474 806 76283. Website www.madaniislamicacademy.com. Learn, listen, and spread happiness with Madani Islamic Academy. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.